So we see the two little boys.
Good morning. So ngayon nasa Portland kami. So Portland, UK. Yun. Yun, tamang ano lang. Tapos ikot tayo, pupunta ako ng downtown. Woo! Lamig.
Okay, everyone? All right?
Doing well, thank you.
Well done. Good.
Oh, grabe ganda. Look at this place. Shit, napakaganda oh.
Not well marked. We'll step on it there.
Napakaganda, grabe. Sulit na naman yung gala ko. At saka yun, first time ko rin dito sa Portland, UK. First time rin makapaggala dito. So yun, tignan nyo na oh. Ganda, grabe.
Right. Thank you very much, ladies. So if you come see Tom, he'll put you in. Looks like we're getting to see.
I need to, follow me folks, I need to call up another two.
Tapos tatawid tayo dun sa may tulay. Papunta dun sa kabila.
Hello.
Hello sir.
Get up there, so
Yeah.
you get over there on the
Yun, nasa bridge na tayo. Yan, makikita mo doon. Grabe, sulit. Sa kabila. Grabe ganda. Mag-i-enjoy na naman ako nito. Ikot na, hanap na ng souvenir shop. Let's go. Saka sabi ng mga tropa, mura daw dito sapatos. Makikita natin mamaya. Uy, ganda oh. Wow. Hey sir. Yan. Nasa mismong downtown na ako. Dito na mag-iikot-ikot. Oh, clearance sale up to 80% off. Wow, souvenir shop, nakakita na ako. Tol, alam na. Wow. Alright, gaganda ng ano.
Jeff, you need to get this one.
Check. Titignan ko sa loob. Okay. Dito na ako sa souvenir shop. Alright. Mga mahilig sa gitara collection. Ito na magnet. Siguro kailangan ko na nang bumili para dire-diretso na ako sa gala. Ayun, a surfboard.
I'll do the job nicely.
Lovely, thank you.
Okay.
That's $2.95.
Shoe repair.
Right, try and stay on the pavements this time, okay?
There you go, darling. Thanks very much
Yeah,
indeed.
thank you. Till next time.
Hello, ma'am. Can I ask? I'm looking for like a plate number of the car you have and then rated on
No, we
Portland.
don't do those.
okay.
And there is nowhere in Weymouth that does, I'm afraid.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
Thank you. Wala rito. Oh, the details. Wala sila. Siguro ikot muna pa. Baka meron pa sa labas. Okay. Up to 80% off. Wow, nakapasok na ulit dito. Wow. Uy, ito nakabili na oh. Shoutout sa tropa dyan no. Uy, ano binili mo?
Thank you, sir.
Uy, panalo. Ano? Magkano na lang? So 15, so 15% off. So andito yung mga tropang tagagali, oh, namili na sila. Pili na. Uy, putang ina, 30 na lang. Shit. 30 euro. Gaganda boy, mura dito. Eh? Oh? Ina, panalo na yan boy. Magkano boy, magkano? 40. 40. Tangina boy, panalo ka na dyan. Seryoso rin. Hanap ako, ikot pa ako. Magkano? Pwede na boy. Pang malamigan kasi yan eh. Talagang panalo sa malamig yan eh. Ikot pa ako. Ikot pa. So totoo nga, mura mga sapatos dito. Pero baka makakita pa tayo ng mas maayos, mas magandang shop na mas maraming display. Pero pinakauna syempre souvenir muna. Wala akong makita nung plate na yon. Bibili na ako ng magnet na lang talaga pag wala talaga. Hindi na gaanong malamig habang naglalakad. Okay, natandaan ko lang yung dinadaanan ko. Okay, diretso. Yun. Last, sa kabila muna. New season. Kaya siguro mura dito kasi bagong season lang. Pero sa ibang bansa pag bagong season mahal eh. Pero malalaman. So ikot man, ikot-ikot. Alright. Okay, random collectibles. Wow. Wow.
And that's like seven.
Ay, umaambon. Umaambon. Grabe talaga, sulit na naman yung gala.
Is the Jubilee cloth.
Ayun. May souvenir shop dito. Hindi. Meron din mga magnets.
Busy today, there's a lot of them now.
Chicken 99. So, okay. Parang naman sa loob. Natin sa loob. Hello, good morning, ma'am. You have the plate number of the car and then written Portland.
I don't understand.
This is a souvenir, like a magnet, and there is also a plate number of the car and then written Portland. Nothing.
No.
Okay.
Sorry,
Thank you. Yeah.
Probably one of the ones on the seafront,
This
opposite
side.
the sea. You could try there.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Parang no choice na ako nito mamaya. Talagang bibili na ako nung magnet. Pero sana may makita. Yun, pinaka downtown talagang ganda. So nakadalawang souvenir shop na ako. Tapos wala. Ito. Wow! Wow, helmet. Ay, it's closed. Shit. Wow. Nakakita rin ng helmet store. AGV fucking shit. Ay. GV. Kaya lang sarado. Ito nag-sale siya dating 200 euro, ngayon 99 euro. Siguro sa dollar nasa 120, nasa 120 dollar. So ito pa tayo. Yun, baka meron sa unahan. Puro na souvenir shop dun sa unahan. Oh, wow. Ayun. Malayo-layo na yung nalakad ko simula doon. Ito, marami souvenir shop dito. Siyempre bawat labas ko talaga yun ang pinakauna kong bibilhin bago ako mag-iikot-ikot. Ito, magnets, Weymouth, beach. Pangatlong shop ko na tong pinasukan, pero sana meron. Sumihan magnet talaga. Magnets or 345. Mura magnets dito kumpara sa US, mahal. Pero malakas lang display. Beach. Weymouth. Lagi silang metal. Titingin na rin ang design sa magnet kung ano. Kasi baka yan na lang. Iba bang flavor ng ice cream? Yung choco chip vanilla, bubble gum. Hello, good morning. I'm looking for, you know, like a license plate of the car and then written Portland or whatever.
No, we don't have any of them. And the
Only
number plate.
magnets.
Only the magnets, yeah, that's all we have.
So because this is the third shop I asked.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No one's got it.
Because
No, the only number plates we've got is like the key rings, but not as in with the Weymouth or anything on it, no. I'm not sure where would sell it, to be fair.
Okay.
Whereabouts have you been? Have you been up the road here?
No, from here, but I go
so
from
carry
there.
on going that way, and there's a few more shops they may sell it.
Thank you so much.
You're
Yeah. Tinuro pa tayo dito. Kailangan ang bilis-bilisan pa. Umuulan na, umambon pala. Okay, ito na yung last na shop. Okay. Sana meron. Yun. Di na ako pupunta bandang doon kasi sobrang layo na rin talaga. Sobrang layo na siya. Pero maganda rin, maganda yung tanawin galing dito. Kaya lang syempre kakapusin ako sa oras. Yan talagang maganda. Kasi yan. dito. Grabe talaga, sulit, sulit. Sulit yung gala. Yun na lang hanapin ko yung pinaka mismong souvenir na gusto ko. Tara ko sa loob. Excuse me, sir. Can I ask? You have the like a license plate of the car enumerating the name like Portland. This only magnets.
Yeah.
Okay. Shit. Sayang wala dito. Pero makikita mo yung souvenir nila. Dahil wala yun, siguro choice ko na lang to. Maganda eh. So ito yung pinakaano nila eh. Dito sa Portland eh. Itong lighthouse. Pero choice pa choice. Iniisip ko lighthouse or yung ano na lang. Wow. Okay, last na shop na lang yung papasukan ko. Yung lumakas-lakas na yung ambon. Kaya ito. Okay. Hello, good morning. I'm looking for, you know, like a license plate of the car and then written Weymouth, Portland.
Ooh. I don't think we have any of those ones. I think the closest you're going to find from us is this one. The license plate one,
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, the license plate.
If they're open, is that one just up there?
Which one?
See where like the balls are outside up the front there? Like that next shop there, I think they've got ones like that that look like a license plate.
Yeah, like a license plate.
Yeah, I think they've got them.
From this side only.
Yeah, literally just there.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
that's all
Yeah,
right.
yeah. Yeah, thank you. Message niya, no? The grateful inhabitants. Woo! To George III of his entering the 50th year. Grabe. So, baka ito. Ay, sana meron. Talagang yun ang hinahanap ko eh. Hello? Good morning. I'm looking for like license plate of the car and then written Weymouth or Portland.
A license plate.
Yeah, like this plate you have.
No, we don't.
Okay.
No.
Because I
Most
saw
of our stuff
only
has got Weymouth wrote on it, but
only
not a
magnets, license
yeah.
plate nothing.
No.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah. See you. Wala. License plate. Dito wala. Wala talaga akong makita. So choice ko na lang magnet na lang talaga. Dito may shop pa. Punta pa ako doon. Ah, baka itong sinasabi, pero ito to eh, pang aso, top dog. Lahat dito aso, ano sa aso. Ayun, nasa kabilang street ako. Whew. So ayun, talagang hinahanap ko talaga yung license plate dahil yun ang syempre souvenir ko ngayon. Pero sana meron, pero kung wala, choice ko na talaga magnet. Alright, mobile zone. Apple 435. iPhone 7 so iPhone 12 nasa 475, so nasa 500 pa rin. Almost 500 siguro. Unti-unti nang lumalamig. Parang ramdam ko na yung ano. Kasi umaambon eh. Souvenir shop, baka meron dito. Pasukin natin. No food or drink. Excuse me. I'm looking for, you know, like a license plate of the car and then written Weymouth or Portland.
You don't have anything like that.
You don't
I don't
have.
know. There's other like gift shops.
The I go around and this is my 5 shop. I asked and
Oh,
they
okay,
nothing.
yeah,
I
no,
saw
sorry.
only magnets, but it's okay. Alright, choice ko na lang sa magnet dahil wala akong makita. So ayun, wala talaga yung hinahanap ko, kaya choice ko na sa magnet na lang aking bibilhin. Tapos sarado pa rin yung shop. So di ko na maantay na magbubukas. Sayang, pag may magustuhan sana ng helmet, talagang bibili ako eh. Kaya lang sarado. Ayan o, sarado. At problema nga din yung oras, kapos. Kaya so hanap na lang ng magnets. Ito na siguro ako sa unahan bibili. So ito yung mall, siguro punta ako. Poundland. So there's a Poundland here.
Ouais, ça c'est sûr, bah c'est adorable.
À part aller chez le kiné.
So time check. Oh, 11:30. 11:30 na, kailangan nang bumalik. So ayun lang mga boss. Portland, UK. So ayun, at salamat sa panonood. Bye.
这可是花了我36块买的，都是胖。